All right. Hey, everybody. So this morning, Sammy from our class sent me a video of her reading a story, and it was a story about bedtime, and it got me thinking about another bedtime story. But also in the video, she was holding a little stuffed elephant, and it made me think about how when we're at school, I let y'all bring stuffed animals in your book bag sometimes, and they read with us. Yeah, you know. So it made me miss that. So I decided I'd bring some animals too, but that's not enough, is it? You know. Is that enough? No, I need some more. Hang on. Oh, let's see what we got here. Got a Mickey Mouse. Oh, him. Oh, look, it's toothless. All right, is that enough? You know, I think I could fit some more. Hang on, 1 second. What else we got? A snowball. Oh, it's Gerald. Okay, I think that's good. You think that's good? All right. What? One more? Okay, hang on. See, oh, I got Gerald. We gotta have. Here she is. Yay! All right, now we're ready. Oh, I dropped Gerald. Okay. All right, I think I can read a story now. What do you guys think? Yeah. All right. Woo! That's me squeezing y'all. Oh. Okay. All right, I'll stop. Time for Pete the cat and the bedtime blues. By Kimberly and James Dean. Pete and the Bedtime Blues. Pete and the gang had a great day. They'd been at the beach, surf and sun, and tons of fun. It's a pretty day today. I hope you're having tons of fun. But when the sun went down, they didn't want the fun to end. Pete had an idea. Hey, how about a sleepover? More time for tons of fun. Groovy. Pete's place. Let's go. The party was far out, but they knew they couldn't stay up all night. The gang decided it was time to say good night. On went the pajamas and out went the lights. Good night, Gus. Good night, alligator. Good night, Toad. Good night, Pete. Pete was just about to catch some Z's. Clap, clap, clap. Who did that? He asked. It was me, said Grumpy Toad. I don't want to go to bed. I want to clap instead. Pete covered his head. This cool cat needs to go to bed. Good night, Gus. Good night, alligator. Good night, Toad. Good night, Pete. Time to sleep. Pete tried again to catch some Z's when rat-a-tat-tat. Who did that? Asked Pete. It was me, said Gus the platypus. I don't want to go to bed. I want to jam instead. Pete covered his head. This cool cat needs to go to bed. Time to sleep. Good night, Gus. Good night, alligator. Good night, Toad. Good night, Pete. Pete closed his eyes to catch some Z's. When he heard. What did he hear? Much, much, much. Pete had a hunch. It was Alligator. He was already up for eating. What could Pete do? All the clapping, rat-a-tat-tatting, and munching was giving him the bedtime blues. Pete had a groovy idea. He got out his favorite bedtime story and started to read, first to himself and then to the gang. Pete noticed it was finally quiet. No more clapping, no more rat-a-tat-tatting, and no more munching. They all settled down. No one made a sound. Pete yawned and turned off the lights. Good night, sleep tight. Time to catch some reading. Tomorrow was another day for surfing, sun, and tons of fun. Look at Pete in all his pajamas. Alright, I hope you liked that little bedtime story. I thought it would go well with Sammy's story that she read this morning. I hope y'all have a good rest of the day and enjoy the sunshine and be safe, wash your hands, and hopefully we will see each other soon. Alright, love you all. Like all my babies. Alright, here's a bye hug for y'all. Bye.